Hi, I'm Trinity from trinityskitchen.com, and today in my kitchen I have made a new batch of gluten-free vegan flatbread. It's something that I do get requested quite a lot. There's a bit of a demand for nice, easy, tasty, gluten-free vegan breads, so I decided to delve into my book Angelicious and dig out a really popular recipe. Now this recipe does have some delicious, super health affirming ingredients like ground flaxseed, ground sunflower seed, and it's got other wonderful things in there that dance and weave and entwine together to make the perfect gluten-free vegan flatbread. So this is how I made it. Line a shallow baking tray with parchment paper. Also, we've got 100 grams of rice flour, 40 grams of either potato flour or coconut flour, 4 tablespoons of ground sunflower seed, 4 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Mix everything thoroughly together in a mixing bowl and add the water, and then mix with a spoon until you get a dough, or just get your hands in there. It's a lot easier actually. And then press and work the mixture down into the parchment paper to form a layer of about 1/2 centimetre or 1/4 of an inch thick. A little thicker works fine too. If you don't fill the entire baking tray, then just form some edges of your own, and then use a sharp knife to score the flatbread into triangles. Place into a preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes. Thank you for tuning in. I hope that you like this recipe as much as I enjoy it. If you resonate, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come visit my website, trinityskitchen.com, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.